Hello children, hi, this is Fareen Miss. Today we are going to start English 4th lesson of Unit 1 from English Bal Bharati textbook, that is Story Time, Yash and Moti. So before I start explanation, I want to ask you, which is your favorite animal? It could be a dog, cat or a bird. So we all have a favorite pet animals. Some of you must be having it in their home and we love them, right? So today in this lesson we are going to learn a small story about Yash and his pet dog Moti. Now come to page number 7 of your English Bal Bharati textbook. We are going to read first. Story time, Yash and Moti. Listen and repeat. Yash was happy. His mother bought him new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. He went out to look at his new shoes. Oh no, he cried. There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe? He looked everywhere. He couldn't find it. Now, in this picture, we can see Yash. This is Yash. Yash is happy. From his face, you can see he is happy. Why? Why he is happy? Because his mother bought him new shoes that he is wearing. Who bought? His mother. So whenever our parents bring us something new, we get happy and we go and look every now and then. Your Yash also went out to look at his new shoes. So he woke up when early in the morning. He went out to look at his new shoes. Oh no, he cried. What happened? There is only one shoe here. You can see in the picture, only one shoe. Where is my other shoe? Now Yash is sad. You can see in this picture, he is asking, where is my other shoe? He looked everywhere. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked, "Bow wow." Yash looked at Moti. "Moti, have you seen my shoe?" He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Now you can see in this picture is very sad, sitting outside on a step and sobbed. Sobbed means he started crying loudly. Just then, who came? Moti came and started wagging his tail. Wagging means moving a tail very fast. So you can see in the picture. He barked, "Wow wow." Yash looked at Moti. "Moti, have you seen my shoe?" So Yash is asking Moti, "Moti, have you seen my shoe?" "Wow wow," Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yash followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. Yash picked it up. Now Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yard means an area of a land. Okay. So Yash also followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Can you see? There is a hole on the under the tree. There was a hole. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. Who carried? A big fat rat. Yash picked it up. Now Yash is happy. Can you see in the picture? Why? Because he found his another shoe. Thank God, he said. The rat has not nibbled my shoe. It is in good condition. Bow wow, Moti agreed. Thank you, Moti, said Yash. Thank God, he said. Who said? Yash said to himself. The rat has not nibbled my shoe. Nibble means to cut off with teeth. It is in good condition. It means it is in good state. Bow wow, Moti agreed. Thank you, Moti, said Yash. Whom he said thank you? To the Moti. So we are going to revise some keywords. Sobbed, to cry loudly. Agreed, to say yes. Condition, the state something is in. Wagging, to move a tail quickly side to side. Nibbled, to eat something in small bites. Barked, sound made by a dog. Who said the following words and to whom? Moti, have you seen my shoe? Yash said to Moti. Thank God. Yash said to himself. Now second, find the words in the story which mean a bitten, cut off with teeth, nibbled, cried noisily, sobbed. An area of land, yard. Moving the tail rapidly to and fro, wagging. Answer in a word or a phrase. Who bought new shoes for Yash? Yash's mother bought new shoes for Yash. How did Yash feel then? Yash felt very happy. Why was Yash sobbing? Yash was sobbing because he couldn't find his one pair of shoe. Who had carried Yash's shoe to the hole? A big fat rat had carried Yash's shoe to the hole. Who helped Yash find his shoe? Moti helped Yash to find his shoe. Was Yash happy at the end? Yes, Yash was happy at the end. Now fourth, put the following sentences in the correct order. Now first is, his mother gave him new shoes. Second, there is only one shoe here. Third, Yash followed Moti. Fourth, Yash saw his shoe in the hole. Fifth, thank you, Moti, said Yash. There are some dictation words. Look and say. Shoes, S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Sobbed, S-O-B-B-E-D, sobbed. Wagging, W-A-G-G-I-N-G, wagging. Barked, B-A-R-K-E-D, barked. Yard, Y-A-R-D, yard. Nibbled, N-I-B-B-L-E-D, nibbled. Condition, C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N. That's all, children. I hope you understand my explanation. If you like my explanatory videos, please then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Farheen Miss. Comment below your views, and for further update, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you, children.